Hey everyone, in this video I will show you how to use fire crystal in Whiteout survival, but don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to this channel. So let's start. Just click on the Whiteout survival, and disclaimer guys, I'm still on a low level so I can show you the actual thing that you should do, but I will instruct you on what to do. So just click on the plus button in the upper right corner, and from here you actually have numerous options, but just click on the monthly weekly cards and just purchase on the one that has the fire crystal. So that is a paid solution, but there are other ways. So just go back here and there will be an event which you can join and accomplish that has fire crystal, so make sure to join that. Third thing is to upgrade the things here in the world, especially the furnace, and also making sure to do the daily rewards, because this has a chance for you to get the fire crystal and be able to use that. That's all. Thanks for watching. Bye.